Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install third-party apps on your LG Smart TV, even if they're not available in the official LG content store. Here's how you can do it. Method 1. Use external streaming devices. Recommended. The easiest and safest option is to connect a streaming device like Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, or Android TV box to your LG TV's HDMI port. Once connected, you can download any third-party app supported by that device. This gives you full app freedom without risking your LG system or warranty. Method 2. Use screen mirroring or casting. Now, if you don't have a streaming device, you can mirror your phone or laptop. Enable Screen Share or Mirrorcast on your LG TV, then cast your favorite third-party apps directly from your Android phone or Windows PC. It's a simple way to stream apps that can't be installed on the TV itself. Method 3. Use LG TV web browser. Open the web browser app on your TV and go to the official website of the app you want to use, if it has a web version. For example, you can visit youtube.com, spotify.com, or tubi.tv and stream content directly without downloading. It's not a real install, but it works like having the app right on your TV. Method 4. Install via USB, limited models. Some older LG TVs running Android-based firmware allow manual APK installation. If your TV supports this, download the APK file on your PC, copy it to a USB drive, and plug it into your TV. Then open the file manager and follow the on-screen instructions to install. If you don't see this option, your TV likely runs WebOS, which blocks APKs. And that's it. That's how you can safely access or install third-party apps on your LG Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Smart TV guides.